friends, today I am completed the project work of countable and uncountable nouns. The examples of countable noun is eggs, banana, apples, carrots, watermelon, tomato. Uncountable nouns examples: milk, flour, rice, honey, tea, cheese. Thank you friends. Bye.
Hi, good evening. Countable noun: egg, banana, apple, carrot, tomato, watermelon. Eggs, apple, tomato, tomatoes, watermelon, carrot, banana. బాగుందా?
Good evening.
Uncountable nouns: milk, rice, tea, cheese, honey, flour. Thank you.